We are in the Sahara desert walking. Me, that's Dr. Hassan, that's Michael. It's walking in the desert. It's quite windy, warm air. So, just exploring the desert. It's good to be here in the desert. Sahara, Mauritania. There's Dr. Hassan. And that's me. It's really amazing out here in the desert. And then you can find green plant. Snack. See this green plant everywhere. Right here in the middle of the desert. Some water here, otherwise we wouldn't have these green plants. Walking in the desert. We are on the desert in Sahara, and guess what we found? SOS. Interesting, who put the SOS sign there? The Hassan and not Michael. Put the SOS sign there. See that? You can see that? SOS. Found something interesting in the desert. There's a small creature like a small kangaroo called Jerboas. And this is the house of Jerboas. That's their hole, Jerboas hole. Interesting. House of Jerboas. That's where the Jerboas live. It's a creature that hops like a kangaroo. We almost caught one yesterday, actually. And at times you can get a green patch like this in the desert. The desert tree, green leaves, thick green leaves. And it's another tree. I didn't see it. The jerboa is too hot for the jerboa to come out. I think the jerboa only come out at night.